Respected viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Deep Dive Universe. Indigenous accomplishments by Aeronautical Development Bangalore, which includes Nishant, Lakshya and Kapothaka UAVs are used by India. Some other Israeli drones are also included in the Indian fleet. Let's explain some important drones. First top quality Indian drone with 45 hours endurance is Heron, which is made by Israeli company. Basic role of this drone is ISR mission, and this is equipped with video cameras and FLIR also. Heron can fly beyond line of sight up to 185 nm or 350 kms. Second one is Heron LL, which is used for maritime patrol and communication intelligence. Its flying height is 30,000 feet above ground and flying time is 36 hours and range is 3,700 nm, which is very impressive and more than any drone of the world. Third one is Rustam LL with 24 hours flying time and 300 kms range. It has SAR video capability and commonly used for intelligence. Fourth one is Searcher LL with 18 hours flying endurance and can fly up to 20,000 feet height up to 250 kms range capabilities. This drone is used for recce and EW approaches. It has optronic sensor and shot body UAV. Fifth one is Harop with 10 hours endurance. Range of Harop is 1000 kms and equipped with anti-radar technology. This is pre-programmed UAV. Sixth one is Harpy, which is known as killer drone with 32 kgs warhead capability. Harpy can fly up to 100 knots speed for 6 hours at 26,000 feet high from ground. Maximum 500 kms range and anti-radiation seeker is also in it. This is more effective and dangerous drone. In the end, some other important drones which India is using are Nishant with 5 hours endurance at 13,000 feet height and 160 km range, Harop with 6 hours endurance and 150 kms range. It can also carry 15 kgs warhead with RF seeker head. These were the most important and latest drones which are included in Indian fleet but not perform as accurate in Indo-Pak war. May they face some operational and technical drawbacks with them. This was all about you, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.